Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv. Today after hours we have the LinkedIn earnings. At stockmarketlive.tv, our rating in LinkedIn is strong sell since May 2015, announced live for free in the blog of the company. You just have to visit the blog at stockmarketlive.tv, and more than to announce the rating in LinkedIn, strong sell, if you read the article, you find information which you don't find anywhere else in the world. In first place, I never missed one call in LinkedIn. Secondly, I referred in 2015 as LinkedIn a bubble stock. Thirdly, if you read the article, when we announced the downgrade in LinkedIn, we referred to LinkedIn most bullish price target to be $260. It happens that last year in 2015, in November, therefore several months later, in November 2015, when I said that you were going to have a stock market crash, LinkedIn share price was trading at precisely $260. So what we did in November 2015, we followed our own instructions, the instructions that you had on the blog of the company for free, and we downgraded or reiterated downgrade in LinkedIn with the difference compared to May 2015, and the difference was that I said you are going to triple the size of your short positions since LinkedIn it is a bubble stock. And therefore, today after hours, you have LinkedIn trading at $137. This earnings announcement in early February 2016, I would say, precisely as the case of GoPro and many other companies in the US stock market, one of the easiest earnings report for you to become a millionaire overnight. There was no other possible alternative. We announced it here live. And today, during live streaming session, I again repeated the same story. With regards to Amazon, I already made you a favor by announcing live the earnings call here, 1 hour ahead of the announcement, selling shares if you had a long position at $628 an hour, reverse into the short side. You had Amazon losing more than $100 per share. And since I announced also live in the blog of the company my downgrade to strong sell in Amazon to hold, Amazon lost more than $170 per share since the downgrade was made, available to you at $694 with a video recorded live that corresponds so far to the top in Amazon. But why am I referring to Amazon if today the company reporting it was the case of LinkedIn? Because if people they consider that Amazon was overvalued, that was the case, yes, LinkedIn was twice more expensive than Amazon. So if Amazon lost 15% per share after earnings report on that same day, 15%, okay, overnight, after hours, LinkedIn was going to at least to lose 30% overnight. Do you understand? So where you had to have the most capital after playing the crash or the correction, whatever you want to call it, in Amazon, the focus was LinkedIn. LinkedIn by far better even than Amazon on the short side. Do you understand the reasoning? So I already told you, I announced that you are going to have a crash, a stock market crash, everything is going down, sell everything, and if you don't sell, my friends, you are going to lose entirely your account. You deserve it, and you have all the calls, and I never missed one, recorded live on video. All right, congratulations with regards to Amazon, with regards to LinkedIn, following my personal guidance since IPO. And don't forget, the quickest way to become a billionaire investor in the markets, selling short. GoPro announced here since IPO at $95, the best stock to sell short in the markets ever. Today there are plenty, endless opportunities to sell short stocks in the market, as I announced, the crash in biotech stocks, oil stocks, gold stocks, tech stocks, and so on. You just have to choose. We have the formula for every single one. But unlike Wall Street, who said that LinkedIn was a buying opportunity, as well as Amazon, as well as GoPro, that was going to $100 on CNBC and so on, LinkedIn, I guarantee to you that LinkedIn, as the case of Twitter that everyone since IPO referred to Twitter as a buying investment, a lifetime opportunity. Every single week the company was going to be acquired. Well, Twitter, my friends, the call that you find on Twitter saying that Twitter is a stock bubble, it was $73. Twitter is a stock trading at $16.60 per Twitter. Per Twitter. And people, can you believe that people really invested in Twitter and they consider themselves, smart investors? It's true. They consider themselves smart investors. They invested in Twitter. So it was the case with that criminal financial terrorist American on CNBC at $41. Gartman saying that Twitter, it is a lifetime investment opportunity. I don't have even a Twitter account. I'm buying shares. You have it on CNBC. So maybe today is also buying LinkedIn. So these Americans, they try to call a button every single day, every single week, every single month. Thank you and good luck going forward. Investing in LinkedIn, strong sell, triple, quadruple short positions ahead of earnings report, and the top announced here at $260, repeated in November 2015. And if you have questions with regards where to find this information, my friends, everything that we say here, it has been recorded, it is available. So visit website, you have here logo LinkedIn, you have here the article, April 30, 2015, so you have 9 months to make up your mind. And you read the article and it says here, LinkedIn downgraded to strong sell ahead of earnings. Vieira recommended to sell short shares of LinkedIn ahead of earnings at $260. After April, shares they collapsed all the way down to $170. In November 2015, you had again the same opportunity. I repeat, what I said was, compared to April, in November, you are going to triple the size of your short positions since you don't have any risk whatsoever. And the confirmation that you don't have any risks whatsoever, not only given last year in April 2015, it is here, LinkedIn, it is trading at $137, a price well below the previous low, that was $170 more or less. You have 137. You don't have $200, you don't have $250 or $300. You have 137 and by far worse than Amazon. Thank you.